Hey guys, in today's news update I want to talk about a study saying that ultra-processed foods are terrible for your erectile dysfunction. This is Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. The following is a summary of the study. I speak to men every day who want to reverse their ED issues. And the major underlying causes of erectile dysfunction is damage to the cardiovascular system, which is primarily caused by diet. So here's the summary that we were talking about. A recent study from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention showed a link between consuming ultra-processed foods and a decrease in heart health. The study was based on interviews with over 13,000 patients. Surprisingly, Americans currently get 50% of their daily calories from ultra-processed foods. Packaged chips, cookies, and sodas are all considered ultra-processed. This type of food generally lacks the fiber and nutrients of whole, unprocessed foods. Interestingly, you'll notice that the study was reported by the CDC, which is a U.S. government agency. The U.S. government is not known for promoting eating well as a way to stay healthy. The lawmakers in the U.S. government are heavily lobbied by big food and big pharma, so you really know where their loyalties lie. So this report is really a big deal. So I would recommend looking at what you eat and see how much ultra-processed food is in your diet. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. And to view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of these two video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.